So here we are with this ProTeam Super Coach backpack vacuum. This thing is about 20 years old, best I can tell, and I'm basing that off of the serial number, December of '04. So I'm assuming it was made in 2004. Links in the description for the video that I did on this, but I had to replace the motor brushes on it. So the first thing we'll do is install this filter. And it looks like so that's really all there is to it. This I'm actually going to keep. Now to install the hose into the cap. As well as the filter guard. That's that. Brand new bags. These are microline too. 10-quart big bags. Let me see if I can find some wands that'll fit into this thing. Thankfully, I do have something that'll fit. I might have to stick another wand on the end here, but these kind of fit. Not perfectly, but they'll fit well enough to get the job done. Let's put this thing on and get an extension cord hooked up and see how it does. Gotta say, this machine is perfect for this type of workout here. Previously, I'd been using a regular shop vac on occasion, but mostly an upright of some kind in order to clean the floors out here, and this is much less of a hassle. Even though you do have to drag around an extension cord, it's not really that big of a deal. that I gotta say, these things cost $500-600, and I really see why commercial companies use them for this type of work. This unit has a ton of power. I was trying to make it clog and basically trying to force it to clog itself, and it wouldn't do it unless I just filled it up with all kinds of just random junk. And then I'd have to take the hoses apart or the wands apart and clear it out. But even then, that wasn't a big deal, and it was very obvious what I was trying to do with it. But just using it, I was not able to get it to clog, using it as intended. Tons of power, tons and tons of power. So this thing will be perfect for out here. I'm glad I picked it up. Can't beat free, and about $100 worth of parts. That was a good investment for sure. Stay tuned for more videos.